If you want to restore an old fence with Ready Seal, we recommend that you prep it properly in order to get the best results. One of the easiest ways to prep a fence before applying Ready Seal is to use a pump-up sprayer and bleach and water. What we recommend for Ready Seal is to put 1/3 bleach and 2/3 water in your mixture content. Now let's get started. As you can see, the fence is cleaning up, bringing it back to life to the true wood before I'm able to apply Ready Seal. And that's what we want it to look like. Pressure washing an old fence is a great way to prepare it before applying Ready Seal. Bleaching is a good option, power washing is a good option. However, bleaching first, then power washing right after will get even better results. To give this fence an additional pop, we're going to add a brightener as a final step. After a couple days of drying, this fence looks almost new.